Hi everyone, in this video pag-usapan natin isa sa pinaka-powerful or isa sa pinaka-powerful and commonly used na trading tool which is the Fibonacci retracement. So from here sa ating chart, no, so dito lang siya makikita sa trading view. So we're using trading view para mas user friendly yung pag-analyze natin, no. So dito lang siya sa um, Fibonacci. May sarili silang folder dito, no. Ayan. So Alt F lang for the shortcut. But before all this, no, so in my previous video, pinakita natin sa inyo yung outlook natin with gold. And we were very bullish with gold. And we even drew this trend line. Yan. So this trend line, nasunod naman siya, no? It went up to the highest peak, which is, again, it went to the 4,800, which is a psychological level. Again, a whole number resistance. And the confluence is that itong channel natin, the upper trend line ng channel natin. So, with Trump speech, yan, bumagsak siya, no? And 12 hours going down. Or, yes, 12 hours since we are in a 4-hour time frame. From 4.8, it went down to 4.5. So, grabe, yung bagsak daw. Very volatile. And we can expect na it's going to be volatile again. Okay, so remove na natin yan. So now we are just switching bias, no? Or rather, we will be checking for entry, no? So how do we use Fibonacci retracement and how do we put it in our chart or put it sa ating analysis, no? Integrate it with our analysis. So Fibonacci retracement is just another tool, no? Another confluence na pwede nating gamitin, not the sole basis of our trading or ng entry natin. Yan. So, technically, i-integrate lang natin siya sa mga alam na nating mga concepts, no, like yung trend following, yan, moving averages, and mainly kung alam mo na yung pupuntahan ng ano mo ng price mo, let's say for example this one gold, tayo lumayo, no? Yan. So we're drawing this. Yan. Okay. So we are at the 4-hour time frame and we can do Fibonacci retracement here. Yan. So Fibonacci retracement, pwede tayong mag-abang sa 31. Yan. Sorry, 38. So lagay muna natin, no? Say for example this one. Yan, 38.2 sa 61.8. So the 50, this one 50, okay din naman yan, no? Pwede rin naman natin yan abangan. Pero mas safe tayo sa 61.8. Okay? So doon tayo sa 38.2 and 61.8. So depending on your direction. Yan. So let's say yun nga, pataas tayo, no? We are timing the market. Saan tayo entry? So let's say wala pa tong mga to. So let's say wala pa tong mga nandito, no? So umaangat si gold and we cannot chase the price. Yan, we cannot chase the price. And what we want to do is that magkaroon siya ng pullback. Okay? Magkaroon siya ng pullback, which is yung pababa. Yun yung pullback. So it's going up. We're looking for an entry kasi na-TP na natin or na out na natin, no? Na-close na natin mga position. So we're looking for a resistance kung saan siya possible mauntog. Since bias natin is pataas, so we're not gonna sell that. We're just gonna look for a buy opportunity. And through Fibonacci retracement, that's where we can use this and look for entry. And so again, we're looking at this one. Yan. So it's price na reject siya sa 4.5 which is a very major resistance area. Yan. So mukha lang siyang maliit, no? Kasi nasa 4-hour time frame tayo, pero it's a very big move. From 4.2 to 4.5, that's $300. And yan nangyayari yan. Actually, yan yung galaw ng buong taon na from the past few years. Pero ngayon, it's just another day. And so now, for our time frame, and umakyat siya 4.5. So we're expecting it's gonna go down and it's going to have a pullback. So saan tayo abang? So we nag-drawing tayo, no, ng Fibonacci natin. Which is we start from the very beginning of the trend up to the top of the trend. Yan. So we just extend it there. Yeah, as you can see, it's around 0.5, no, which is a 50. And so we can have our entry there. Okay, so that's a healthy pullback. Ayan, 38.2 to 61.8. And kapag bumagsak na at around 786, yan, medyo tagilid na yung pullback natin. We can just wait for another opportunity, no? Pag bumagsak na siya dyan, ayan, so wala na siya dun sa trend line natin. Yan. So we enter here at 0.5, no? So let's say umentry ka dito sa 38.2 na SL ka, for sure. So we wait for 61.8 or sa 50. Yan. So those are the levels. It's another confluence, no? If we are looking at support and resistance levels, kasi Fibonacci retracements is actually for support and resistance. And so once you enter there, saan tayo magti-TP? Yan. So let's say nag-entry ka dito. Now we have a long position here. Yan. Saan tayo mag-ASL? So below 61.8 kasi nasa 50 ka nga eh. Yan. You can just target the very top, which is 4.5, yung immediate resistance niya, or you look for other resistance levels. Yan. This one is very sizable na, no? Itong level na to. Yan, from 4,300 to 4.5. That's very big move na. Okay. So, pwede rin siya on the downside if you are viewing gold at the on the bearish eye, no? Yan. Yan. You look for the start of the wave up to the very bottom naman. Ayan. So we are at 50 and we can expect that it can still go up here. 49.15, no? 4915. And then from there, we can have our sell limit order. And this is for an anticipation, no? Then we can just target 38.2 or other Fibonacci levels like 0.236, yeah, or even for 1. And it's a very optimistic na, no? Pagka ganyan. Since ang tingin natin is that it's going to have a continuation because hindi pa naman tapos yung war, then this is very valid though. This is a very valid. So basically, Fibonacci retracement is where you can do your limit orders, like buy limit or sell limit orders. Yan. So the key rule here is that you look for the start of the wave up to the very top or the very bottom of the wave. Okay? So we cannot make a Fibonacci like this, no? Kasi meron pang mas lower. Ayan. So if we are going to have this, kasi ito lang yung chart natin, no? Pero if you are going to extend it here, Yan. It's around 38.2, which is respected, no? Multiple times. Okay. So try natin, no? Nung bumaba itong gold from 5.556, no? It went down to here, 4.388. Asan siya? Yan. Okay. So, pwede tayo mabang doon at 786. Ayan. So, hindi naman na natin yan ah, pinasukan, no? Ayan. So, naghanap na tayo ng ibang entry there. Ayan. Kasi lagpas na siya sa 61.8, which is the golden ratio. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at the bigger picture. Ayan, since ito nga, this picture, it's a very bullish picture, no? Very bullish chart ng gold. And yun nga, from the very top, may ano siya, may down move siya, which is ito, hanggang dito, 4-1. So let's see. And as you can see, it's in 61.8 Fibonacci. So imagine if you're a position trader and yun nga, ano ka, nag trail stop ka, no? Na na hit ka na ng SL dito kasi tinitrail mo lang eh. You're looking for an entry upwards, no? Sa pagbagsak niya. Okay. So imagine if you were able to get this 61.8, no? So gaano kalaki yan? From 4.1 up to 4.8. So that's what? $700. No, $700. Na 0.01 lot size. Yan, lot size yan ah. Lot size profit. Yan, 0.01 lot size. That's equivalent to, and of course, 1:1, 700 din. Pag 0.10 ka, times 10 mo lang. So, napakalaki, di ba? And that's how powerful it is, itong Fibonacci. And it's not, hindi lang naman sa ganito siya pwede natin magamit. No? There are a lot of usage itong Fibonacci. But for the sake of this video, itong mga retracement lang yung tinitingnan natin. And even with this, just the retracement part ng Fibonacci, no, there's a lot of Fibonacci here. Ayan. You can actually use all this if you want to learn more about Fibonacci, no. Ayan. You can search with ChatGPT kung ano yung Fibonacci. Ayan. It's like a universal computation. Ayan. Na things are always going back to the golden ratio, which is 61.8. And so that's how powerful it is. If you are looking for a pullback, then you can wait for the 61.8. Kung yan lang yung pinili nyo, make it your trading rule na you're not gonna take the 50. You can take the 61.8 always. And again, it's not always the Fibonacci yung sole basis natin. It's more like one of our confluence. So if you have trend following, if you have moving averages, then you can integrate that. You can integrate itong Fibonacci natin. And that's it, guys, for our Fibonacci retracement. Thank you so much for watching. And again, I want to invite you sa ating Telegram community where you can learn more about all these. We have trading ideas there and free trading signals